In this video, we will show you how to use Ta-Tum, a platform where reading becomes a fun game and uses gamification strategies to encourage and incentivize reading. We are also going to see the main functionalities that are on the teacher's dashboard. Log in with a username and password. Ta-Tum contains an extensive digital library which can be considered as a separate feature and can be used as a standalone from the gamified platform. To access the digital library, click on the main menu, then click on Libros, and the digital library will open in a new tab. Here, students can access the digital library for independent reading and be able to read any book from it without needing to use the gamified platform. There are several helpful filters to choose from, such as different language filters. For example, authentic Spanish from Mexico, Spain, or neutral international Spanish. You can also filter by recommended ages, themes, or subject areas that will allow students to work transversely and offer a multitude of values to select from, such as love, equality, justice, and respect. You have the option to read a summary of the book or access it directly. While reading, you can highlight the text, change the font size, typography, or background color as desired. Now return to the main menu to access Ta-Tum's gamified platform, the Casos. To involve the class in the Ta-Tum universe, inform your students that they have been called up to collaborate with the Avante Detective School to solve the literary cases assigned to them. In each case, students will be able to solve the corresponding investigative activities while reading the book. For your students to start investigating a case, you will first have to add it to a class from the case library, Biblioteca de Casos. Here you can also see all the books that Ta-Tum offers and can search for books using the filters as well. You also have the option of creating a case from scratch. By clicking on Ver Caso, you can preview any book, and by clicking on Añadir a mi clase, you can start working with a particular book. Once the case has been added to the class, you will be able to edit, delete, or add any content or activity, which makes it a fully customizable tool. Let's now go to the main menu. Click on Mis clases and select a class. Here you can see the books you have added and are going to be working with. To create a class, click on the main menu, click on Mis clases, and then click on Crear clase. Follow the simple steps to create your class. Note that your school or school district will be displayed once you are subscribed. To reinforce students' motivation, there are some presentation videos, some printables, and a T-quiz that consists of selecting or creating an activity that students complete online simultaneously during class within a certain time frame. The case is the contextualization of the book in newspaper format, which is 100% editable. The following elements are in the presentation of the case. A text that points out the strange events that have happened in the book that is to be read. A motivational video related to the theme of the book to contextualize the subject. Access to the digital book. The missing characters and objects to find as they read and the points they will receive for finding them. The pesquisas are the fun investigative activities and are correlated to the reading of the selected book. We also have a predetermined welcome message with guidelines that the student should follow to do their work and read the book successfully. By clicking on Pesquisas no publicadas, suggested activities divided into 3 blocks are provided, before, during, and after reading. Some are developmental activities that you will have to read and correct. Others are self-evaluating and are corrected automatically. You can select the activities you would like to use, and by clicking on Publicar, they are published immediately for the students to see. You can also edit the activities and schedule when to have them published. In the same section, you will be able to generate new messages, homework, or quizzes to send to your students. All of them are customizable. To view and correct the students' completed activities, click on Trabajo, located in the main section of Ta-Tum.